Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a pretty cold morning. I woke up a little while ago, but I went back to bed because it's so cold. It's raining outside. Anyways, right now I just want to make my breakfast. I already have my dough over here. I'll be making some mandazi. I already kneaded my dough. It's over here and it has risen so well. So yeah, come along, let's make some mandazis for my breakfast. It's on a Saturday by the way, so I'm just lazy around at home. Everything is going well, so karibuni, welcome all. Let's make our mandazis. Smelling so yummy, super yummy. Let's do this. So I'll be cutting them into smaller sizes because I don't have a large working area. I just have to knead them on this rolling pin over here. Is it a rolling pin or a rolling board? So this is the only space that I have, so I have to roll them into smaller pieces, smaller sizes like this. It's sticky, it's also sticky and it has some hard time, but that's fine. So I have the 5 balls. There are the 5 balls over there. So these are what I'll be needing. So I'll take one. Because it's super sticky, I'm going to put it in oil. I've just immersed it in oil as you see over there. Then I'm going to put that on the rolling board. Then I'll take my rolling pin and I'll just start rolling. So that's done. I'm going to go ahead and just look at my fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my oil to continue boiling. So I'm going to cut my dough into pieces, into 4 pieces. So this is what I have. I'm just oiling my pan, this tray over here, so that they don't stick on the tray. So my first batch of mandazi is done here. They are looking so cute and pretty. So I'm just going ahead to put these other ones. The heat was too much, so I've reduced it. I'm just going to put these other ones on the fire. The oil is bubbling so much, meaning the fire is a lot. So yeah, I'll just do that for these other ones. Continue turning and doing all that stuff. I'm just so much in love with these. I can't wait to sit down and just start taking my breakfast. So this is what I do for each and every one. I just knead them into good size, dip into the oil, then come on the rolling board and just start rolling. These are done already. For one side, I'll just turn them inside out. Look at that rich color, guys. That rich color. I'm so in love with this. One side is done, so I'll just then I let them cook for some time. Look at that brown color, super cute. So right now I'm done making all my mandazi. Oops. Here they are. These are all the mandazis that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my water to boil on fire because I'm just making black tea. After it has boiled, I'm going to make my tea. We do all that together, so come along. As the water is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and make my tea. I have my sugar over here, and I'll be using these tea bags, the lemon flavored tea bags, to make my tea. One and a half spoon of sugar. Then I'm going to go ahead, take my lemon tea bags. They are almost over, so I'll just take one. And I'll dip it in there. Now that I'm done with my cooking, I'm going to plate my mandazi. Then I'll just sit and eat. Look at that, so appetizing. So appetizing. So I'll just take these pieces, sit down and eat. So this here is what I have for breakfast.